So in this video, we will see how we can install WPS Office. First of all, we will go to Edge or Chrome and then type WPS Office. Now we will simply click on the first link that's here, and this will open the page to install WPS Office. We will click on free download. Now this will start the download over here. Now once it's downloaded, we will click on it. We will accept the terms and conditions and install now. Now this will start the installation and it will take some time. Okay, so once the WPS Office is installed, it will ask like if you want 360 total security. It's like a free antivirus, but I don't generally like this 360 security. So I will just uncheck this and click on OK, thanks. Now this will start WPS Office and we have WPS installed.